Are dock workers damaging your box truck or semi-trailer roll-up door panels with forklift cargo collisions, costing your company time, labor, repairs, rentals, product damage, freight claims, worker injuries, temperature perishable food loss, or delivery delays? This is 100% preventable with DorJak7 by HTS Safety Products.
Hi, my name is Carl Betcher, President and CEO of HTS Systems. HTS Systems has been designing and manufacturing commercial safety delivery equipment for the commercial delivery industry for over 15 years. Introducing the DorJak7 by HTS Safety Products. The DorJak7 is designed from stainless steel and will not corrode or rust, and is easy to use and easy to install. Simply grab the handle, take it out of stowage, raise the door, and this prevents the door from getting clipped by cargo damage.